So hello coders, never give up coding and continue coding. Now we're going to talk about today the spread operator in ES6. Now the spread operator is just an operator that can quickly copy one array into another array. So let's give an example. We have two arrays here, numbers 1 and numbers 2. So let's create a new array. So I'm going to call it const. I'm going to say const. Then the new array I'm going to call it number combined. Then it will equal to. Now I could copy out the spread operator is just 3 dots. Then I could say number 1. So it would copy number 1 into the array number combined. Then I would also copy again 3 dots. Then I would put number 2. So it would copy number 2 into that array. Then I can console.log to see if everything is going okay. Console.log. Then I could console.log number combined. Save. Come here, run the code, and you can see that my new array number combined is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, because I have copied numbers 1 and numbers 2 into the new array number combined. So now the other way you could use the spread operator, you could use it in conjunction with destructuring. So let's give an example of how you could use it in conjunction with destructuring. Let's say I have an array of numbers 1 through 6. Now I wanted to destructure this array into new variables. What I could do, I could say const, right? Then I would open my destructuring array. So I would say 1 means that this first one would be destructured into 1. Now I would put another variable 2. It means that this second one will be destructured into 2. Then I could say, fine, let the rest of them be destructured into this variable called rest. So then I would say equal to numbers. So when I print, not print, it's console.log. Remembering Python, console.log. When I console.log rest, this rest of these numbers which are not 1 or 2 will be put into the rest variable. It means that 3, 4, 5 will be put in the rest variable. So when I run this code, I can see that 3, 4, 5 and 6 have been put into the rest variable. So the spread operator can be used like that also for destructuring. Okay. Now, but also we can use the spread operator with objects. So you could ask, how would you use the spread operator with objects? Okay, let's give my example 2 objects. Let me copy here 2 objects. I have these 2 objects. My first object is my vehicle, and my second object is update my vehicle. So this one has brand, it has model Mustang, and then it has color red. This one has type car here 2021, and then color it has yellow. So how I could use the spread operator here, I could maybe make a new variable const, and then I'm going to call it my updated. Let me call it vehicle. My updated vehicle. Then I would open my my object brackets. Then I would use 3 dots, and then I would say my vehicle to copy my vehicle into this new object that I'm creating. Then I will also use 3 dots again. Then I would copy into update my vehicle. So when I console.log my updated vehicle, let me console.log that. Console.log my updated vehicle. When I console.log that, let me CLS that, and then let me copy. When I console.log that, you can see my new object. It has brand, model, color, type, yeah. But here you can see the color is yellow, but here the color was red. So when you copy 2 objects into a new object using the spread operator, and then they have similar keys. So this brand is a key, model is a key, color is a key, then Ford is a value, Mustang is a value, yellow is a value. So if they have similar keys, the last one to be copied into the new object, the last similar key to be copied into the new object, it's its value that will be taken and then put into the new object that you have created. So that is how you could use the spread operator in objects. You could use the spread operator when you're doing destructuring, or you could use the spread operator when you want to copy one list into another list. Thank you for watching. Continue coding and never give give up.